Our real estate client required a platform where tenants could report household issues, such as pipe leaks or kitchen problems, and owners could assign team members to resolve them. We developed this portal in Bubble.io and seamlessly integrated it with Podio CRM. Let's explore the property maintenance portal. Let's report a problem. Click here. You have different options to select to make the problem more clear and specific. Let's report under floor heating. Add details here. You can also attach files. Now add personal information. Tenant ID number is a unique number assigned to every tenant. Set permission when someone can enter your house to see and resolve the problem. The problem has been reported. Now to see the details of the problem we reported, go to the Maintenance Calls app in Podio. Here are the details of problem we reported currently. Both the tenant and the property owner will receive a notification email when the problem is reported.
To avail our services or to discuss your next project, contact us on the following details.